This Canva tip that I'm going to show you is going to blow your mind. In fact, when I show my students and clients this tip, this feature in Canva, they don't even know it exists. So I've been using it for a while and it saves me so much time and it's going to save you so much time. So I'm just going to show you what it is. So when you're editing social media posts and you want to rebrand them. So perhaps you've found a social media post in here in Canva. So you might have gone to design and gone social media post as an example, but you really like it, but it's not really in your branding colors. And so let's use this one as an example. You don't want to have to click on each element and change all of the colors. You can do so up here. This is the way this has been designed, but you'd have to click here. So what you can do is get your branding colors. So perhaps in your business you have created a brand board, a mood board with all of your branding colors in it. If you haven't, you can simply find some in here. So you could go you could say color palette. Maybe your colors are pink and green or whatever they are, adding the colors into the search bar so it comes up. So you could, click on something and find them. But if you have your color palette, I'm just putting mine here for now so I can show you. What you can do is screenshot it. So just say, even if you find something in Pinterest that you like, you can screenshot those colors, or you can, for example, you can click on this and save image as and save it to your desktop and then come back in here. And so for now, what I like to do is like screenshot it, and then you can come to the design that you want to change and paste it, or you paste the image that you did. So you could come over here and go copy image. Okay, that's another option rather than save it to your address. And you could paste it in here. Okay, and then it pastes it. And then what you want to do next is click on these three dots and apply colors to page. Now that's skewed it a little bit, and you can keep going and change the colors to whatever you want it to be. Okay, so that's one way. So let's just, and then you could tweak it slightly. So let's just go back to the original one. The other option to do is just say you found a color palette in here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Instead of saying replace current page or add as new, we're just going to ignore that. We're going to see how it's created a color template here. So I can click on that and shuffle the colors just using that as well. So that's two ways to change the design without having to click and change every single element. I hope you enjoyed this quick Canva tip. If you want to know more Canva hacks, tips, tricks to save you a bunch of time, let me know in the comments below, and follow me, subscribe for more incredible ways to use Canva.